Hello everybody, welcome to Convolution Educare YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the slicing of string in Python. So as you know, Python is a very booming language, programming language. So where we are going to learn how a particular sentence or a string is going to be presented, is going to be stored. And suppose if we want to extract any specific characters from the particular string or sentence, how can we do those things? So it's a small class, hope you will enjoy this. If you want to know about Python language in details, so please call our numbers which is mentioned in our YouTube channel for further clarification. Now if you see this one, let's say we have declared a variable called name. Now in this name variable we are keeping a particular statement called the Avengers. After the we are giving a space, then we are writing Avengers. Now the question is, see how this thing this particular statement is present in Python, okay, or is how these things are going to be located, is going to be presented in Python. Now in Python what happened, so if we look, I am explaining this box. So this type of memory blocks are going to be created. So how many words are there total? If you see the characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, including space. So if you see this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, including the space. So there are 12 characters are there which we have to store them. Remember the counting of this is what they are known as, we can see a particular subscript or a block. Now this particular subscript or the block, they are going to start from 0, not from 1. So I am starting it from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if I go from left to right, it will come like this, 0 to 11. Now if you go for back counting, then it will be like this, like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10 and -11 and -12. So this way the characters are represented in Python. Okay, and remember for space we are having a separate block. So key points to remember, like the counting of the boxes, the star is going to start from 0, not from 1. Okay, like the array concept, okay, like the array in other programming language, the array counting starts from 0. So in Python also, whenever we are going to store any words or statement, the counting of the characters or the position of the characters is going to start from 0, not from 1. Okay, I think this presentation is this memory allocation of the Avengers is okay with you. Now what we'll do, we'll see some slicing concept in Python. Suppose now let us take the example of this one. I said one name, then third bracket, then 0 colon 3. So if I type this one, so output will be what? What is the significance? 0 means what? From where I am going to start my counting. So I am going to start the word counting, or the character counting from 0. So this 0 is indicating what? The starting block. And then after colon I am mentioning 3, means how many characters I am going to extract. So there are 3 characters. So that is why if you look at this particular table, so first character which is present in 0 is the, and the THE means 3 characters I am extracting. So my output is what? It is becoming THE, the. So again I am repeating, if we talk about this one, 0 means my starting number, or the starting block, from where I am going to start, the starting position, and then after colon I am specifying how many characters I am going to extract from this particular block, memory block. So I am saying 0, 3, so my output is THE, the. Next, take another example, like see I am saying what? Name, then colon, then third bracket, then colon, then 6. Notice one thing, now in the previous example before colon I said 0, But here I am not specifying anything. After colon I am saying 6. So look at the output. It is THE space AV. That means if you are not specifying anything before colon, any number, that means Python is assuming what? You are going to start your counting from the first location, means the 0th location. So in the 0th location, my first character is what? T, then H, then E, then there is a space in the, this is the third, it is in the fourth block, then A, then V. So colon, then 6. 6 means I am going to read 6 characters. From where things are going to start? It will start from 0. So if I count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my output is becoming what? The space AV. Next, take another example. Let's say I am saying name, then third bracket, I am saying 4 colon. What is the significance of this? See, if you, in this particular example, if you see, I am not specifying any value after colon. That means before colon I said what? 4. That means I am going to start from my I'm going to start my reading from the 4th position, which is A. And after A, whatever characters we have, I'm going to read everything. That's why my output is what? Avengers. So these are what? Some small examples or some small representation about the slicing of string in Python. Here what we have learned, how the string is going to be represented in Python and how can we extract a specific characters from a particular statement. This is all about your slicing of string in Python. Thank you.